Here we are in the second gene, starting with Module 3, and once again, these modules I created specifically for this assignment, so this is new for you. Obviously, you can pause this so you can read through the text a little bit more, but I do follow the format that you asked us to, starting with introduction. The introduction goes over some basic information that I want the students to be familiar with that we're going to be covering in the module. Creating community or building community is really important for me, whether I'm teaching face-to-face, hybrid, or online classes. And so I want students to know that it doesn't matter the format, building community in a safe learning environment for students is critical to success in the classroom. This is where I cite my sources. I focused on Cunningham, which I had posted in assignment 7. I also took your recommendation on Myers and Nutty, which was a great resource that I'm glad you introduced me to. I then go into the presentation. For this class, I hope to use Wimba Blackboard Collaborate to offer 2 different times each week where the students can meet face-to-face virtually through sort of like a Skype type program where they can see each other. They can ask questions. We will go through a mini micro lesson each time, but it's really an opportunity to build community and to provide that immediate discussion with students. For this one, I have them previewing an article prior to doing this and thinking about how they already build community in the classroom. That way, that's what we're going to be discussing during the actual Wimba presentation. The practice for this one is them getting to explore the different tools for building community. So you can see, and I'll take you to this Weebly page in just a minute, but they have to go to the Weebly page, which once again I'm modeling how they can use Weebly. That's a very, very simple tool if they want to in their classroom. They're going to review the different tools for building community, and then I want them to try one out. They have to choose something different than what they did in Module 1, which is either Animoto or Roki. And then they're going to tell me and their peers about how to build community in your classroom and 3 reasons it's critical to build community in a learning environment, which is what the articles above provided some resources for them, as does some of the text and the websites themselves. They're going to post a link to a discussion board, which here is the link for the discussion board, by Wednesday at midnight, and then they need to preview peers' posts by Sunday. So that way they get to see different ways that people build community. So I'm going to go ahead and take you to the Weebly page. So this is a Weebly page that I created for creating community, and once again it's to model another digital tool for them. This is a great video if you haven't seen this, and you can see the web link here if you want to go to this website directly. This was something I had done for training, but this is a great Engage Me website. And then I provide various tools. Go Animate, I have examples here that they can see Go Animate used. They either myself created or I had students create over the years. Powtoons and Telegami. So those are some different ones that they're able to do. And then for their assignment or their application assignment is where they need to write, they have a choice to focus on the adult learner. I give them choices throughout this course, so they get to decide how they want to present their information and what specific information they want to focus on. So they can either write a 1-page essay building on how to build community in their classroom, including some specific details and citations, or they can do like a mini PD that they might be able to share with their peers in a PowerPoint slide presentation. And so they will present that to me. See if we can catch Module 4 before we run out of time here. So Module 4, I have them start off with a Powtoons, which this is a live link here to go to Powtoons that goes over planning for instruction, which is the focus of this. And then I go over the introduction. I give them a link to the website, which you can copy and paste to go check out some of these examples I keep referring to. And I have them read an article, and we talk